at just making Bharatanatyam accessible to the socially and economically oppressed communities. It also encompasses the history of the dance itself. She feels it helps the students to understand and perform the art form better.
One person is not enough to make the change. Everyone should come together, everyone should work together, whether it is not just Bharatanatyam, not just the dance, even the orchestra, the instruments, or mridangists, and we have theatre artist. Nobody has the right to keep an art to themselves. It can be a part of the curriculum, like how they know science, maths. This also can be made part of the syllabus, provided it doesn't get compromised on the quality. This, I think, only the government can do, because now only privileged people are able to learn this art form. The working class, it's not accessible for them. The government can do support artists like how they did in the past. For this art form to survive, for any art form to survive, it has to have an audience. And how can that audience be created? Only if they know that art form. Only if they know Bharatanatyam, they will come and watch that. So for that, I think you need to teach large number of students. I tell my students, go home and teach your parents or your siblings. They must know what is Teya, Teo, Teyum, Datta, Didite or anything. They must know. I will ask them when they come for the parent-teachers meeting. So that's how you create the audience. If I am a Bharatanatyam dancer, my sister or my husband would go and watch the performance. I have to talk at home about dance. And everyone should talk about their whichever art form they are learning, or they are the practitioner of any particular art form. I think they should talk about it a lot at home, so that their family will get influenced and they may go and watch Kacheri.
What strikes you when you enter this special dance class is the proximity between the teacher and her students. This is not a typical classroom constrained by the rigidity of tradition or diktats of hierarchy. Instead, it is a medium wherein the very learning of the art lies its reclamation.